wake up early, markets on my mind, charts in my vision, profits on the grind, discipline steady, emotions on lock, patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit, risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit, every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Yo, it's your boy Cash King.
I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Let me proceed. Turn music down.
Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No phone,
turn it down a little bit more.
tight to the rules. Consistency.
Alright, that's good now. Alright, so I'm only going live to kind of like back test. Back test and also give you guys my analysis on NAS100 of what's gonna happen. I already have my analysis already marked out, really. You know what? Let's just do that. Let me go to my analysis. So this is my analysis. All right, so where was Monday? Monday. Can I lock this? All right, it's locked. Everything locked. Cool. All right, so Monday is right here. I believe that was what, last week? Okay, so Monday started right up here, right? So we found some rejection like right at this level, and we started pushing down. We came up, right? We didn't retest here. We came up, we retested here. Well, pulled back here, then we dropped again. Then we found some support right here, pulled right back up here again, and dropped again. So this is going to be considered my major support zone right here. Well, resistance zone. My major resistance zone is going to be right here, and this is my support zone, right? So, okay, price pushed down, pushed all the way down here, and now we here. It's last Friday, price ended up here, right? So I know right here is going to be considered a major resistance zone because why? Price rejected here before. When it pushed past, it couldn't break through. It couldn't break through for a couple of days, right? Came up here again and it dropped again. So that lets me know that price could either come up here and drop again and drop lower because this is my target. I don't think we're going to continue to push right. I don't think we're going to reject this level at all because price tried to come down here, boom, pushed up, came down here. It tried to push down here a couple times and it failed. So that lets me know that price is going to drop past all this and probably push here or here. It can push lower than that. Could be a potential reversal coming, right? So with my analysis on NAS100 this week, I feel like price is going to find that pullback zone. Wherever it's trying to pull back to, is going to find that. And once it find that, what you need to be looking for, you need to be looking for rejection. And I advise whoever watched this stream, I advise you to look at the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute. See how it moves. See how it moves when it gets to certain zones. If it can't break through that certain zone, no matter how hard it tries, sell it. It's ready to sell. It's ready to go down. So that's something you definitely want to pay attention to and look into. Look for that pullback zone. Now, another thing NAS love to do, NAS will push up to the highest of the pullback zone. It will push up all the way up here just to come right back down. And I believe that's the banks. The banks will push up the price and make people think we're buying, then we're selling right back down. So that's something you definitely want to pay attention to. Don't be so quick to change your idea of what's going to happen. Price came down here for a reason. I'm letting you know, price came down here for a reason, and it wicked out. It made a wick and pushed up. If it makes a wick, that's a no-no. No, that's a no-no. It's going to come right back down for a full body, a full body candlestick. So right now, all I'm looking for on NAS is that pullback. It, the type of pullback, any pullback, really, any pullback I'm looking for, where there is major rejection from. So right here will be a good major zone where a price could reject from. Now, if it pushes through, I have other pullback zones that it can come to. This could also be a pullback zone. So that's something. If you trade in NAS100 this week to pay attention to, please pay attention to that, or you will lose your money. You will lose your money. So I'm telling you, it could happen. That could happen. But anyway, I went over my analysis. This is my analysis. Let's back test. I want to back test and see what I can do. Because I'm nice like that, you know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna go all the way back and see how many trades can I win using my strategy. Why I gotta select the date? All right, the 25th. Let's select that. I'm not gonna look. Do September 2nd. I don't even know what September 2nd look like. Okay. So it's September 2nd, right? What time it is? It's Asia session right now. So I want to make sure I get to 9:30 in the morning, right? So about right here. Forward, 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 forward. What time is it? So where I want it, about right here. Let me put a dot right here. About right there. I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. All right, so this is 9:30. Hold up, I'm gonna have to take a step back. All right, get it. Better yet, get that. I gotta do it again. 2, 9, or 8 o'clock. Let's do 8 o'clock. We're gonna do 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So that's 8 o'clock. Is this 8 o'clock? That's not 8 o'clock. Why they doing this to me? Okay, so this is 8 o'clock, right? Cool. 8 o'clock. Let me check my stream, make sure I'm good too, before I get into it. Dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. All right. So if I'm looking at this right now, it's September 2nd, right? It's 8 o'clock. I'm looking at this right now, right? So what I would do, the first thing I would do is mark up my levels. I'm gonna mark up my levels just to see, okay, where can I trade, right? What can I do? Okay, I'm marking up my levels. Okay, we have rejection right here. So that lets me know, okay, that's rejection right here, and that's rejection at the bottom as well. There's rejection right here as well, right? So I'm looking at that. But we also have a gap. We have a gap up here. So that don't sit right with me. We have a gap right here. Okay, we right here. There's also a little bit of rejection right here as well. So my thing is, okay, it looks like price could definitely close in that gap. We also have rejection right here. So I want to see price pull back. That's my thing right here. What is it? Is it a Monday? Okay, it's not even a Monday. It's a Tuesday. So this happened Monday. All this stuff happened Monday. This Monday, this consolidation. We got that breakout right here, which was Tuesday, 3 in the morning. We got that breakout, push all the way down here, right? So it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock right now. So what I want to see price pull back. I want to see price pull back. If we pushing down, I want to see price pull back. And I definitely want to look for direction as well. Okay. All right. Price been pushing up since August. Came all the way up here. August 28th, it dropped, started to drop. Okay, consolidate right here, pushed all the way down here. Okay, cool, 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 cool. All right, so it's currently what this is 7 a.m. It's 7 a.m. September 2nd, 2025. Right? So I'm looking to see, okay, what can we do? What can I do right now? Okay, where there's a gap right here. So the main thing I would do is I would take it to that gap. I want to see a pullback. I want to see a pullback around 9:30. So what I would do is I would see what price is doing. What price is doing on this 1 hour. Well, I really would go to the lower time frame, but it's back testing, so I can't do that. Not trying to do that. All right, so we finally got that pushed down. What time is this? This is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Let's scale down. We're gonna scale down. Get it? We scaling down to the 15 minute. We're gonna scale down to the 15 minute. Okay. What time it is? It's 9:30. So this happened all at 9:30. That's probably why the 1 hour did what it did. Okay, so this happened at 9:30. This is gonna be considered that pullback I'm looking for. So I'm looking for price to come all the way up here to close in that gap. Is it all the way up here? I think it is. Yeah, all the way up here to close in that gap, possibly. So what I would do is go to the lower time frame. I don't like the way it pushed up like that. I really don't. So let's see, could we get some type of pullback, a little bit of pullback back to the downside? If not, then I'm just going to take my entry right here and just scalp it to the upside. Nope, I didn't mean to do that. Let's go back. All right, 2 seconds. About let's do 9 o'clock. All right, so we back here, right? It's currently 9:15, I believe. Let's get it down where we was. Okay, so we right here, right? This where we was. All right, price pushed up around 9:30, started pushing up crazy. Boom, boom, boom. We ended up here. Again, I said I wanted that pullback. I wanted that pullback because on a 1 hour, it got a nice little gap. Got a gap up here. So I need that pullback to get filled. I need that to get filled before I do anything else. If I want to sell it or buy it, I need to get filled, right? So what I would do is I will wait. I will wait for that pullback. I will wait for some type of pullback, probably right here, where price kind of rejected from right there, made a little gap right here. I will wait for this gap to either get filled a little bit, and then I will take that buy. So let's go ahead and do that. See what we get. Are we gonna get it? Okay, we getting it. We getting it. We getting it. Let's see if it's gonna push back above. All right, let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Okay, we came down here. I want to mark that up. I'm going to mark that up. Okay, I'm gonna mark that up. Now, my entry, all I'm looking for is my entry is going to be up here. I'm looking for my entry. Where will I enter? Okay, price is down here. We currently at a nice rejection where price rejected before. Price love to reject here. Price rejected right here, pushed up. Price rejected right here and pushed up. What I would probably do, I probably would see if price gonna reject there again. All right, it looks like price definitely gonna reject there again. So what I would do right now, this is what I would do. Check me out. My entry will be right here. Stop loss will be at least a little bit below this wick right here and a little bit below all of this rejection. So I'm going to do that. Boom. Mark this up as well. Boom. A little bit underneath. And I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it all the way back where we started rejecting from. I take it all the way up. I can even take it up here. And I want to see if it's going to play out. If it don't play out, hey, it is what it is. Sometimes it don't play out. But hey, I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see. Did it play out? All right. We're rejecting. We're rejecting. Okay, we rejected right here, which is nice. So that lets me know there's support right here as well. Right? Boom. TP hit just like that. TP hit just like that. I seen how price was rejected right here, price rejected right here, pushed up, price rejected right here again. So that lets me know that soon as we pass this, price is gonna push back up all the way up there. If you scroll to the left, price did the same thing right here. Price pushed up. So that let me know a lot. Price did hit TP and it'll be nice. So that gap is finally closed. That gap is closed right now, right? Well, it's kinda. I'm pretty sure it's about to close right now. One more push. All right, so the gap is closed. Now we are above this, right? We're above this level. It lets me know a lot. Above this level, it could push up higher. I don't think price want to come back down. I think it want to continue to push down because we reject off a major buy zone. We rejected. Look, boom, pushed up right here. Pushed up high. I mean, it pushed up extremely high. Once it touch here, it pushed up. Once it touch here, it pushed up. Once it touch here, we pushing up. So that lets me know, okay, price want to push up. So what would I be waiting on? I will wait for a breakout. I will wait for a breakout on what's over to the left. That's what I wait on, right? So let's say right here, boom, boom right here, and boom right here, right? I see a gap up here, so I really want to take it to here. I want to take it all the way up here, but there's some rejection right here, so I want to take it at least a little bit below all this rejection right here. So this would be my target. I want to make this a different color. I want to make it purple. So hold up, make it purple. Boom, I make this purple too because this is my initial target. Boom. All right. So soon as price starts to push above this, I'm going to enter. That's just the way it is. I'm going to enter, and I want my stop loss to be at least below here where price rejected. Right here, I need my stop loss to be below here. Boom, boom. I'm gonna make this my red zone. I need price to be below here. I don't care what color it is. All right. So once price break here, I'm buying. I'm buying all the way up to this target. So I won one already. It hit my TP, right? So let's see how this plays out. All right. So price hit here, hits here, and it pushed right back down. So it will hit my break even. So what I would do, I see, okay, what do I want to do? Okay, we hitting right here. So that's a lot of rejection right here. So more than likely, price might push right back up. So what I would wait on, I would wait for that. Let's go back to the 5 minute because that's probably why I did what it did, and I ain't get a chance to get in, right? So let's see. Once price pass here, I'm in there. Better yet, once it pass here, I'm in there because it lets me know that it want to go up, right? Let's get it all the way up down, right? So as soon as it hit right here, I probably wait a little bit. Next entry, I'm in. I'm taking it all the way up to here to close part of that gap that it made, right? So let's see. I need my stop loss to be, that's a little bit big right now. That's a little bit big. So let me look for a smaller stop loss. Let me go to the higher time frame. Let me see. I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning. All right. I put my stop loss below this wick. I can't find nothing better. So I put it below this wick right here, right? Let's see how it plays out. My TP, I needed to close in that gap. So soon as it hit back up here, I'm in now. Next candlestick. As soon as it get back above, I'm in now. I'm in now. All right, so currently in profit. I got in profit up here. So if anything, I probably would have took my stop loss. I mean I would have took my my profit. I would probably took my profit up here, or I probably would have set it at break even. Or if price would have came down, I would have got out right here. Soon as it came back down past here, I would have got out, right? So if anything, let's say it was the next day, right? Actually, it is the next day, right? What time it is? What time is that? Okay, so it's Asia session, I believe. So I wouldn't be trading during that time. So let's get it all the way back to like 8 o'clock. Let's get it to 8 o'clock. Get that brush and put it to like 8 o'clock right here. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. All right, this is 8 o'clock, right? Okay, yeah, this is 8 o'clock. So this is the next day. This is the 4th. Well, 2 days over. So we price came up here, came back down, hit break even. I probably would have got out right here, because if I look to the left, there's rejection right here. So I probably would have definitely got out right around this area. So I would have won that trade, right? So I won 2 already. 2 is already won. I won this one. I won this one. It didn't hit my TP, but I did get in profit. That's all that matters. All right. So it's 8 o'clock, September 4th, right? So I know there's rejection up here, right? So that lets me know everything. There's rejection up here. I need price to pass here. I want price to pass here. And once it gets here, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna take a buy. Sell stop's gonna be down here, right? So the moment that happens, I'm in there, right? So I will set my buy stop right here. Set my buy stop right here. Stop loss will be at least right here, where there's, yep, right there, right above there, where price rejects. So if price was to come all the way up here and come back down, it probably would just bounce off this, or it probably just bounce off this, like right up in this area. So let's see how it plays out. So this will be my third trade, third back test. The moment price get up there, okay, that lets me know everything. That lets me know everything, bro. What is this, 930? 930 came all the way up here. It pushed me, it put me in a trade, and it just started dropping back down. All right, so I say, okay, that's a loss. So if anything, around 930, I don't know if I would have gotten this trade. I probably wouldn't. I probably would have waited, because I don't set buy stops. So I probably would have, I don't know. I would have bought right here. I'm not gonna lie, I would have bought right here. Definitely would have bought right here, and I probably would have lost a little bit, because if I would have seen it coming down quickly, I would have got out, right? So what time it is right now? It is 10:15. So what I would do, okay, price came up there for a reason. So what I would do, I would wait for price to come right back up there. It ain't over. It ain't over, Nas. It ain't over. So the moment price get back up there, okay, we up there again. All right, my stop loss down here. Boom. Boom, just like that. Just because it didn't work out the first time doesn't mean it's not going to work out the second time. We came up there for a reason. 930 usually lets you know where it's going, but it will manipulate you just like it did right here. It manipulated me, and then I took it again. Boom, TP hit. And that's how I be catching these bangers. That's how I be catching these bangers. I get it the second time. I get it the second time or the third time. I risk 150, 200. Okay, cool. I'm going to wait for it to come right back up there. And then I do the same thing. And I get it. More than likely. It came all the way down here. Cool. That's cool. My stop loss down here. No word. No biggie. We rejected off this, pushed up. Boom. TP smashed. So this is the third trade. But no, the fourth trade. I lost one. And I took the same trade again. Boom. Third trade. It didn't hit this one, didn't hit my TP, but I got in profit. All that matters. And even if my stop loss was down here, I still would have been okay. Still would have won the trade, right? But I'm gonna say I got out. And the next day, boom, hit a bank. All right, let's see what we at now. Okay, we have a gap right here. Have a gap right here. Got major rejection right here as well. Let me go to the left. Major rejection right here. So that lets me know something. Price could, if there's major rejection right here, price could drop from here. So what I'll be looking for a price to pull back somewhere. Once it gets up here, I'm looking for a pullback, straight up. Looking for a pullback or a drop back to the downside. So where I would take my trades at, if I was to, if we was right here and price is currently closing in this gap a little bit, right? Where would I be looking for a sell? Trying to see where would I be looking for a sell. Of course, I would want it to sell up here, but sometimes that's not always the case, and that's not what happens sometimes. You know what I mean? So what I would do, push this over a little bit. What I would do, I would wait. I would wait for price to push up here. Once it push up here, I take a sell like right here. Take a sell to the downside and push it all the way back down here, where price just pushed up and didn't pull back to. Pretty sure it's just like that on a 1 hour too, but I'm not going to go to 1 hour. So let's see. Let's see how it plays out. All right, boom. My sharp position will be right here. Sharp position will be right here. Stop loss will be right here, right above this wick. Right above this wick, baby. All right, boom. All right, so let's see what price does right there. Do it come back down? No matter what it's doing, you see how price is getting smaller and smaller. Now, since I want to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take it from here now. I'm gonna take it from here. Look to the left. Okay, we have rejection right here. We have rejection right here. So I need my stop loss to be above that. Once price come right back down, I need it to be above that. Yep, that's how I want it. That's how I want it. Now let's see. Let's see what price do. Price gonna come back down. I don't care when. It's still the same day. Okay, this is the next day. It's the next day. What time it is? As soon as around, I'm gonna say around 9:30, price might start crashing back down. What time it is? Not 9:30 yet. 9:30 is gonna be right here. So let me mark that up. Right around 9:30, I guarantee you. I could be wrong, but I guarantee you, price going to start dropping. Because price love to come right back down around 9:30. If it been pushing up a lot, it'll come crashing right back down. So the moment it hits my entry, I'm in there. Look at that. Look at that. TP hit. That was like really quick. That was quick. That was quick, bro. That was quick. That was like really quick. Like, oh my goodness. So what price did? Price pushed up. It faked. This is considered a fake out. I don't care what nobody says. This is a fake out. Price pushed up as high as it can. So it won't. So people could think it's buying. So people could think we're buying here, right? Price pushed all the way up here and it came crashing right back down. Came crashing right back down, got me in a trade. It didn't even come back up. It got me in a trade, and what it did, kept pushing down. We pushed all the way back down here. Now it came, found some support and rejected, pushed right back up. So this is a W. That is considered a W. All right. So what I would wait for and what I would look for now. Okay, since price did that, came all the way back down, is this considered the next day? Okay, this is Sunday. This is Sunday. I usually don't trade on Sundays. Let's wait for Monday. What Monday gonna be at? Right here. So let's go ahead. Let me just bring this over. Monday at 8. Boom. Monday at 8.
future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up.
All right, so it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock right now. Okay, so what I'm expecting price to do? Okay, so we have major rejection right here. I know there's major rejection right here. So what I want price to do, I want price to come right back there. That's what I want. That's what I want. I want price to come all the way back right here and bounce off this to either break below or push high, right? So I want, as soon as price get up here, my entry where I want to enter at is right here where it rejected from. I want it to come back up here and then push right back up. Now, if that don't happen, that means price is going to continue to push right back down. Okay. So if I can't get that, I don't know if I will be in the trade. I probably just scalp it a little bit. But let's see if that happens. Especially around 9:30. Okay, this is 9:30 right here. So see what it do. All right, that's major rejection right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that up. Major rejection right there. Let's look for other zones. Okay, right here as well. Got some rejection right here. So I'm wondering if price just came down here, instead of it coming down here, because sometimes that's not going to come all the way back down. It's just not. So looking over here, boom, we rejected here. Once again, we came down here, boom, 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 rejected off here. So it found its support, and now we're pushing up. But if you look to the left, there's also some rejection. So let me slide this over to the left, right? Slide this over to the left. I don't even know if I would even take this because it's just too much. It's ugly over there, right? So if anything, I would need price to come up here and break above here. Once it breaks above here, I put my entry. I enter right here, and boom, push up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And I need my stop loss to be at least below this area. All this trash, I need it there. So let's see if price gonna do that, because it could go right back down.
Hit that chalk, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah,
okay. Let's see what it's gonna do.
Secure that bag, let the market decide.
I don't know. I don't even know if I would take it on the first entry, because I would want to see price push right back down to this and then a push up. But sometimes price could just continue to push up without it pulling back. All right, we pull back to that. I like that. I like that. So price might not even come back. Price might not even come back down to here because we already pulled back there. So boom, boom, and it haven't touched it yet, and I'm gonna push it up just a little bit. So as soon as it hit this, my entry, I'm in there. Even though I know there's rejection right here. Let me move my entry up just a little bit, because I probably would do that. Move my entry up just a little bit, and I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. What are we gonna do? I'm in there. Boom. Hit my stop loss. Just like that. It hit my stop loss. So maybe the best thing for me to do is take it from here. Take it from here, or wait to see what it's gonna do before I take it. And I'm pretty sure I would do that, but back tested. So I said, okay, cool. I lost. I lost like right here. Once price started pushing down here, I lost because I would have got out, right? So I said, okay, cool. So what I would do, I'll wait for it to come back down. I'll wait for it to come right back up and take the same entry. Sometimes you're gonna lose 1, 2, 3, but take your same setup. Don't give up on your setup. Don't give up on your setup. Just take the same setup. So that's major rejection right here. It's a lot of volume right here, right? So just wait for it to come right back up. It'll go up, trust me. It'll go up. I do want to mark this up as well. So take the same up, the same setup. Taking the same setup. Let's see. Boom. I ain't even worrying about that. I'm not worrying about that. Wanna know why? Look at that. It put us in a trade. Put us in a trade right here. Boom. Put us in a trade right here. Came all the way up here. So if anything, once it start coming down around this wick, back down below this wick, I would have got out. So I'm gonna call that a W. I'm gonna call that a W because I know me. I would have got out quickly. I'm gonna call that a W. But it ain't done. It's not done. Don't think it's done. So what I do again? So since we here, what I do again? I would take the same trade again. Since it didn't go up, I will take the same trade again and wait for it to come right back up. Same stop loss, right below here. I take it again. Nash, you're not safe. You're not safe with me. I'm telling you. You're not safe. I know you. I know you, bro. I'm telling you. I know you. I'm telling you I know. As soon as I get back up, I'm in there. As soon as I get back up, I'm in there. It's coming back up. Building back up. Building some pressure. I like that. Building momentum. Coming back. Pull back. It pulled right back. I love that. This is going to be a stronger trade. Watch. I'm guarantee you this is going to be a stronger trade. All right. Boom, boom, boom. We're building up. We're building it up. We're building it up. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. All right. It hit there again. Hit that box again. That's cool. That's cool with me. That's cool with me. Wait for it to come back up. Okay. Boom. All right. We in there. We in there. Now what it's going to do is it's going to hit our stop loss again. What was this? What time was this? 8:30. Must have news. Must have news right there. Had news. So I'm not going to even count that. I'm not going to count that. I'm going to count this right here. This right here, I'm going to count. That's going up. That's going up. That's going up. I can play it out. That's going up. Watch this. That's going to hit my TP. Boom. TP hit. Just like that. TP hit. TP hit. The only reason why I didn't count this news because I wouldn't trade that if it's NFP, CPI, I wouldn't trade that. I can't even trade that on Top Stop. So I wouldn't have traded that. I don't really trade around 8:30 anyway. But just saying, I would have took the same trade. I would have took the same trade at least probably right here. What is it, 8:45? I probably would have traded around 8:45. News did what it did. Boom. Took it to the upside. So that's a W. That's a nice W, right? So now I'm looking for other ways, other areas that price could come to. Look for the date. What's the date? It's Friday. And this is Sunday now. So what I'm gonna be waiting on is that 8 o'clock. Waiting on 8 o'clock, right? So let's mark that up. Where the 8 o'clock at? Monday, 8 o'clock. Right here. This is where 8 o'clock is. So depending on where we at, I'm gonna react off it. All right, this is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock right here, right? So what have we been doing since last week, right? Price been pushing up. Price been pushing up. We pushed up here and we never came back down here. So what I will be doing, I will look for that pullback. I will be looking for that pullback. That's what I'm looking for. I need that pullback to happen. I need price to come right back down here. So what I would do, I will wait. You already know me. I'm gonna wait for price to break below here. That's why I be taking so many sales. I be looking for that pullback area. I need that pullback to happen, right? I know price, this is the highest of the high right now. And this is the recent low right here, right? So I'll be waiting for that price to break below these wicks right here. And once that happens, I'm in there. So boom. Stop loss going to be right here. Right here. Right above this area right here. I could bring it down just a little bit more. So soon as it passed this wick right here, I'm in there. You already know, I'm in there. I'm taking it from here to here, a nice little scalp. I bring it down just a little bit. All right, let's see how it plays out. Do it break through? Okay, it breaks through. Cool. That I don't care. I don't care what day is it. Is it the same day? Let's see how it plays out for that day. It's gonna come back down here this week. That week that we're in right now. Monday 15th, September 15th, it's gonna come back down that week. So I ain't even worried about that. That's cool. We could take it from that, right? So I'll be looking for ways for it to come right back down. That's all I'm looking for. Until we get that, I'm not taking another buy. I don't care what happens. What day is it? Tuesday. It's a Tuesday now. All right, it should be 9 o'clock, right? It's 9 o'clock. So what I'm waiting for price to start pushing right back down. So I can either take it early or I can wait. But I'm gonna take it early. Let's say price is coming down here, right? The moment price break, I'm in there. I don't care. We found some rejection up here. Price start pushing back down. Boom. We could reject off here. So that's why I'm saying I want to take it at least below all this. I want to take it below that, right? Stop loss above right here. Let's see. I want to take it all the way down here. Not saying that's going to happen now, but it could. If anything, it'll happen right here. So this will be my TP1 right here. Let's play it. Boom. That's my TP1. TP1 hit. Let's see if my TP2 gonna get hit. TP2 got hit. TP3 got hit. There we go. Boom. Bro, I'm like that, bro. I'm like that. I'm in my strategy, bro. My strategy is price reaction. Price reaction strategy. That's my strategy. I look at the way price moving at certain zones. How do it move? That's all I'm looking for. And just because price is right here and price rejected up here doesn't mean price is going to push back up until we get back above here and then price start pushing up. But it can literally start pushing right back down. It can reverse at any time. So that's a W, right? So let's see what price does. Let's see what it do right here. Do it continue pushing up? Do we start pushing back up above these levels? If so, then I'm gonna take that buy. I'm gonna take that buy right up here. All right, we getting very volatile, bullish. What day is this? What is this? 3 o'clock? Yeah, this 3:15. So what I would do? I don't even know if I would trade during that day. I don't know if I would trade at 3:15. I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let it do whatever it's trying to do right now. Right? I'm gonna let it do whatever you're trying to do. Go ahead and do it. I'm not trading. I'm not trading until 8 o'clock. Looking at the charts around 8, right? That's my time frame. That's what I do. I have a bigger success rate around 8. I already know what I want to do. Around that time, I already know what I want to do. I already know what I'm looking for. Hold up, my bad. Go back. I already know what I want. All right, is this 9 o'clock? What, 8 o'clock? Nope. Is this 8? Okay, yeah, this 8. This 8 o'clock. So I already know what I want. I already know what I'm looking for. Already. Price pushed up crazy. Wednesday, Thursday, and we're currently on Thursday right now, right? It pushed up. So what I'm looking for that pullback. I'm looking for price to pull right back down. That's all I'm looking for, price to pull right back down. What I really want, I want price to come all the way down here. But who knows? We might not get that, right? Might not get that, but that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to start pushing right back down, start losing that momentum to push to the upside, right? That's all I'm looking for. Once price start doing that, losing that momentum, I could take it from here to here. I can do that. Let's see. I need price to lose that momentum. I don't care about none of that. I don't care about none of that. The moment it gets back down here, I'm in there. I'm in there. The moment it gets back down here, because yes, I definitely would have got in right here. Boom, boom, boom. I would have hit my first TP1. My TP2 probably wouldn't have gotten hit, but that's fine. Boom, we pushed up from there. But it's not over. It's not over. Yes, I'm going to mark up this. I'm going to mark that up. Boom. But once price get back below here, guess what I'm doing? I'm selling. I'm selling. I don't care. I'm selling right here. I need my stop loss to be somewhere around that area. Right? So as soon as price start getting back down here, I'm selling straight up. So let's see. Boom. Stop loss about right there. I need my stop loss right there. And I want to take it here because what price did? Price pushed up. It never came right back down. So I need price to come right back down. Let's see if that's going to happen. I like that. I like that price is definitely trying to push down. It's trying to push down. Boom, I'm in there. All right. Stop loss hit. That's okay. I take it again. I don't care. I'm taking it again. Let's do it again. This time, take it a little bit below. Have it a little bit below. Boom. Let's see it. Let's see what happens. All right, hit stop loss again for the third time. I take it again. Stop loss above here. All right, that's cool. Third time, I take it for a fourth time. Let's see if the fourth time gonna happen. Is this the same day? How many times would I take this trade? That's why I'm trading. Just erase all that stuff that I said. Because I usually take my trades around 8. I gotta pay attention to that too. I would took my trades, so I would have made money right here. What is this? 8 o'clock. So around 9:30. If I was to take it around 8:45 ish or sometime in that, I would have definitely made some money. It would have hit right here. It would have hit my first TP1. Boom, 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 and it pushed up around 9:30 ish. It pushed right back up, right? So I think I would have been done trading around that time. Or probably not. But it's Friday, so I'll be waiting for 9:30 again or 8 o'clock. Waiting for price to come right back down here because it's not over. It's going to happen. I don't care how long I don't really care how long it takes. It's going to happen. Telling you it's going to happen. All right, price start pushing up. Don't worry about that. It's coming back down. It's going to come down. It got to pull back to that zone. All right, just move it over. What time it is? All right. Okay. What time it is now? All right. So I wouldn't be trading. During that time, right? I probably no telling. I probably would have took a buy up here. Who knows? Probably would have took a buy up here. But my setup still stays the same. I still feel the same. I do not care. I still feel the same. So, but the only difference is, I probably, let me see. I probably would take it from here. I probably would move my stuff up, move my entry up, and my stop loss would be above here if price was to get back below. Right? That's cool. I'm gonna wait for it. Because it should be Monday, right? Is it Monday? It's still Sunday. Where is Monday at 8? 8 o'clock, 8:30. About right here. All right. So let's see where it's at 8. What is this? It's 3:15. So I'm sleep. I'm sleep right here. I'm sleep. I'm sleep right now. So this is 8. This should be 8, right? One more. One more move. Okay, that's 8. All right, so let's see. I don't know. I probably would miss that trade. I probably would miss it. Uh-oh. I might not. All right. So cool. So around 8, I'm getting up. I'm looking at the chart right here. This time frame, I'm looking at the chart. I'm looking at it. So I know that's rejection up here, right? I know there's some rejection up there. So what I'll look for, okay, price started pushing right back down. On Sunday, we ended up here. No, Friday, we ended up here, right? Sunday, we started consolidating. We started getting that push back to the downside, right? Cool. All right, so we are here right now. We consolidating. We right above this level, right? Kind of a little even with these wicks, right? So I'm looking for price to start pushing back down. I'm already peeping that out. I'm already peeping. We got rejection over here. We falling back underneath this zone. All right, I'm already peeping that, right? So I'm looking for price to start pushing right back down. Okay, cool. So we came back up here. That's fine. I'm still down here. What time it is right here? 9:45, 9:30. I'm still right here. Still waiting for a price to come back down. If price don't come back down, that's cool. Next day. Okay, I probably would have took a buy. Probably would have took a buy right here. Who knows? Probably would have took a buy, but I'm still waiting. Still waiting on that setup to happen. Because it's going to come back down. Okay, cool. Probably would have took a buy. What time it is? Monday. It's a Monday. All right, Tuesday. What Tuesday at? I wouldn't be down there no more. I wouldn't be looking down there no more. I'd be looking for price to come back down. Right? Cool. All right. Let's get to Tuesday. Tuesday. Around, let's say I start trading, looking at the charts at 9, which I usually do. 8 or 9. 8 o'clock, I'm just looking at it. 9 o'clock, I'm thinking about entering into trades. Let's look at it. Let's see what it do. Let's get to 9 o'clock. All right, it's not really doing much. There's no volume. All right, boom. 9 o'clock or 9:30. 9:30 price start pushing down. So what I'm looking for, already looking for this, right? I see that price made a gap. I'm looking for that. I'm looking at that. Okay, cool. My entry is going to be right here. I'm already made sure my entry is right here. This is my entry. Boom. Right? A little bit below, just in case, right? Stop loss right here. Boom. Stop loss right here. Right above it a little bit. And I want this. This is what I want. I want this. But again, remember, all the way down here as well. I'm looking at that. I see that. Now, sometimes that's not going to happen. But who knows? You just never know. If anything, I will get this right here and I will get this right here to close. But let's see. Let's see if I get it. I might not get it anyway. Who knows? Once price get down, I'm in there. All right, there we go. Boom. I got that. Let's see if I'm gonna get the other one. Look at that, bro. Am I not nice, bro? Am I not nice? Like, come on, I be knowing. I'm looking at price action. This is what I do. I look at the price action, bro. This is what I do. Let's just let it play. See if we get down here. Am I not nice? Am I not nice, bro? I'm really cold, bro. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. All right, so I knew that price was gonna come all the way back down here. I already knew. Why I knew? Because we still had this gap. Its price didn't even pull back to it. So price started to push up, push up, push up, made other gaps, and then we got that push down. Once we start consolidating up here, once volume start going lower and lower and lower, then we got that drop that I was looking for. Right? We got that drop. So if I look at all the times I would have traded, well, I would have traded way more than this. But just looking at A plus setups of what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for, what I see, bro, my win straight is up there. My win straight is up there, bro. It's up there. Like I'm really like that. All right. So now what I see is nice structure being built. Boom, boom, boom. Nice structure. Higher lows and lower lows. Is it lower highs and lower lows? There we go. Lower highs and lower lows. So this is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And it's a possibility that price could continue to drop, right? I wish I could just delete all this, but I don't have the time for that, right? Cool. All right. So where we at? What time is it right now? It's Thursday, so I'm gonna wait for Friday. Where's 8 o'clock on a Friday? 8 o'clock is right there. Let me mark that up. Right here. Right? That's 8 o'clock on a Friday. So let's get to that. Let's get to that Friday. This is gonna be my last one. I'm gonna do another one. Well, nah, this is my last one. All right, so is it 8 o'clock? It's 8:30 right here. Okay, we must have news right there. Who knows? Probably got some news. All right. So I'm looking at this, right? There's rejection right here and there's rejection right here. I want to see price. Let me go ahead and delete this. I want to see price either continue that structure that it made. I want to see that to continue that structure that it made, or a price to push up, possibly pushing up to this gap and closing this gap, or a continuation to the upside. What I would do, I probably go to the higher time frame. Go to the higher time frame to see, because this is a nice pullback to start pushing back up. It's a beautiful pullback, right? So I'll be waiting for price to either break above here, right? And I take it from here to here, or I could take it all the way up to the upside. So let's see what happens. I'm just curious. Let's see. And what time it is? Is it 8:30? It's 8:30. Let's go back to the 15 minutes. Let's go to the 5 minutes. I want to go to the 5 minutes. All right. So cool. My entry is all the way up here if price start pushing up. And I see that we made that gap around 8:30. So that's something I definitely want to take into consideration as well. Right? So that could also happen. 9:30, get that get this gap closed around 9:30. That can happen as well. So let's see how it plays out. All right, gap has been closed. I believe this is 9:30. Yep, 9:30. Price is starting to push up. So what I'm waiting for price to start pushing up above here. Once price start pushing up above here, I'm in there. I'm in there, just like that. Just a little bit above. This is my last one. I'm about to get off. I would want my stop loss to really be below here, but let me see, could I find something? Right here, that'd be nice. Right here. So my stop loss is literally below that. It's below all this rejection right here, which is nice. Let me also put a line right here as well. Boom. So I'm right above all this mess, right? So I needed to just be just a little bit above that. And let's see, once price get up here, I need this gap to get closed. I need to get closed because people tried to sell there, but it just push down too fast. I'll make this red. Boom, right? So let's see what it do. What time is it? 9:30. Let's see. I also could take this trade right here too. But let's just see how it reacts. All right, we starting to push down. Okay. What time it is right here? All right, we still good. We still good. Every loss is just a lesson. Every scar is a game. All right, it's 2 o'clock and it's a Friday. So I probably won't be able to take this trade until Monday, right? Monday of September 30th, right? And I'm just back testing. That's all I'm doing. This is not real. Back testing. Or it's 8 o'clock. It might get all the way up there beforehand, but let's just see. Let's just see what it do. Cause I know I'm gonna make $1 million. It's still a Sunday? Yep, still a Sunday. Yeah, I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist tight, stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow. Yeah, that move already happened Sunday. It happened already. It would have happened already. All right, let's find another one. All right, so we pushing up. That's a good sign. So that lets me know that price is going to push up regardless. So that's cool. So even once we get to 9:30 or 9 o'clock, I already feel like price is going to push up. So what I will do, that's a lot of rejection right here. That's a lot of rejection. The rejection is heavy right here. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so I would need price to start getting above here. I would need price to start getting above there. I won't be able to take a trade. I wouldn't take a trade right here. I just wouldn't because it looks way too choppy for me. But let's say I did take a trade. I would need price to get above here, and my stop loss would be like right here. So let's just go ahead and try to take this. Is my last one. So right here, stop loss below. Boom. And I'll take it to the upside, which might be really bad because I don't know. I might not win this one. I feel like I'm not. The only reason why I say that because there's a lot of rejection up here. Even it's just a lot of clutter up here. So this will be I say this will be my TP1 up here, but it might start pushing down like right in this box. But who knows? Let's see. Let's give it a chance. I try to give everything a chance. Make sure it's 9:30 or 8:30. It's 8:30. Let's see what 9:30 do. It didn't put me in a trade. It didn't put me in a trade just yet. I ain't worried about it. What time it is right now? All right, it's 9:30. Let's see what it's gonna do. Told you. What I said. I said that but it did hit my TP1. It did hit it. Hit my TP1. Pushed up. Boom. Pushed up all up here and hit my TP1. I thought it was gonna reject right here, but it didn't, which is cool. All right, that's cool. But what I would do is it hit my TP1. Let's do this. Boom. Do that. It's gonna come up. I'm telling you. You gotta take it. You gotta take your setups a couple times. It hit TP1 and let you know. Okay, cool. We rejected off here. Let's see if it's going to continue to push down or are we gonna come right back up. The moment it comes back up, hey, we good. We good, my boy. We good. The moment it comes back up. Now, if it starts to drop, I'll let you know everything. All right, it looks like we're gonna drop more than anything. Okay, it's building up something. It's building up something right here. I see that. I'm paying attention to that. It's building up something right there. So that's good. Building up something. Now, I mean, if it breaks the trend line, it's gone. Boom. Broke that trend line. All right. I don't like the way that, definitely don't like the way that look. Look at that. All right. Broke the trend line. Rejected. Push down. Boom, boom, boom. All right. But it looks like it's kind of trying to start pushing up. So let's see. Let's play it. All right. Rejecting up to that. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Rejecting. Okay. Cool. Once it gets up here, I'm in there. Yep, it would have got me out. I would have took it again. Got me out the other time. Let me see. Take it again. Anyway, my win rate is high. That's all I'm trying to say. My win rate is really high. I look at the price action. I focus on that 1 minute, because the 1 minute means everything. Every time frame that's on here means something. But that 1 minute do wonders. It will let you know a reversal is coming before it even comes. It will let you know. But my win rate, my win rate is very high. Very high. You know, very high. And I'm not even bragging, I'm just being honest. But that's it. I'm done back testing. Strategy is stratting, you know, it's nice. Strategy is actually really good. And yeah, that's all I got. I'm gonna catch y'all Monday. I don't think I'm gonna trade today, but I'll catch you Monday and try to make a smooth 1K on all my fundings. And yep, that's it. It's your boy Cash King. I'm out.